and Andre DeGrasse. But 1974, that's crazy fast running.
On his way back from injury, at his best, a top speed finisher.
I was going to say, hasn't looked himself since that race in New York in 2014. And trying to rediscover his best form. He's in 7.
Great minds think alike, Ricardo.
I agree. There is where men's 200 meters. DeGrasse in 5, Dwyer 4, Merritt 6, Ashmead in 3. Set on their way for the men's 200 meters. Warren Ware gonna fly starting in 7. Andre DeGrasse tries to respond in the middle of the track in 5. Ashmead runs a very good curve as well. DeGrasse comes to the front. DeGrasse in command. Watch Merritt come within the finish. DeGrasse, Merritt, and Zona Hughes. Andre DeGrasse holds them off in 20.16. The Olympic silver medalist delivers brilliantly here in Kingston. Defeats a quality field and gets his first individual victory of 2017. Did someone say rounding into fine shape?
We got it at 20.14. Merritt 20.28. Zarnell Hughes 20.29. Rashid Dwyer at 20.48. Andre DeGrasse stepping it up and stepping it up in fine style.
This is his better event, I think, when you compare the 100 meters. He tends to start slowly in the 100, takes a long time to get going. 200 meters, almost perfect for him.
Let me agree with you there. 9.91 his 100 meter PB versus 19.80. But here we go. Catches up LaShawn Merritt fairly early in the curve, gets off the curve in the lead, and he never relinquished it.
Modest turn, 10.6. But going through 9.6 down the stretch from 20.1 my clock. Here he is lifting. He can feel the quarter mile call the Olympic champion Merritt coming at him, but holds his form. Zarnell Hughes in the blue slip into the picture, and DeGrasse holds on to win.